Okay, hello everyone. Able to hear me, guys? Yes, no, guys. So sorry. I hope I am live. Okay, still not able to hear me, not able to see me. Okay, great. Okay, now able to see. Okay, very sorry, guys. I was stuck into a issue. Okay, and also this is the first time I'm actually. I thought like to connect with you all with face to face, right? But I'm not sure what about that link is. Okay, just give me two more. Okay, one more minute. Okay, I'll just check the StreamYard link. Why it was not working actually? Okay, and ideally it should have streamed our broadcast, but it was not doing that. Okay, so I'll just check why it is doing that. Okay, anyways, I don't want to take risk, so I'll just check why it is doing that. Okay, I don't want to take risk, so okay. Yes. So sorry for that. QA to DevOps, please one session. Okay. Sorry. So sorry. I seriously don't know like how to handle this StreamYard and all. I thought it will be easy. Like I will be able to do a live stream with you all, right? So it is not working. I don't know how to handle that. Okay. You are audible. Yes, I am audible, right? Great. So yes, I see people have joined, guys. Sorry for that. Okay. Now I'll be taking some questions only. I cannot take you face to face. Okay, and so sorry for that. Right. Okay. No issues. No more sorry. Great. Thank you. So guys, let me update few things here. Right. For our bootcamp, right? Already I have prepared the content for our coming Saturday. Only thing is, few things I thought I should be adding more. So that is why I have not released the agenda, right? So I'll be releasing the agenda by today night or by tomorrow morning probably, right? And one more thing, guys, as you all know, the next week I'll be traveling to Bangalore. So probably the project session, which is the last session for our bootcamp, right? For the 2 months bootcamp, I'll be taking in, if possible, the next Sunday, the coming Sunday. I mean, not this Sunday, the coming Sunday, August 15th or 14th. If not, we will be postponing it to 21, right? So I hope I am making it sense. Yes, so Piyush is here. Thank you, Piyush, for joining. And I hope you all have seen the podcast with Piyush. It was really good. And yes. So, any questions, guys? Any questions? Sir, when the next podcast is coming soon? Okay, because today was live. Actually, I release the videos every Thursday and every Saturday, as you all know. But today I thought, okay, I'll do the live streaming. Right, I'll connect with you all. Right, but yes, face to face is not happening. So probably tomorrow I am releasing the podcast. Right, it's all ready. Only thing is I'll be releasing that. Okay. Can we join the stream? Okay, I'm not sure how to do that. Okay, but definitely I'll just give one more time try. Right, we'll see if I'm able to take the stream in. Right, enter studio. I'll just check. Okay, and we'll see if I'm able to take you in. Okay, I am in the studio. Can anyone try? Okay, you all are here. Great. Okay, awesome. Okay, how can I do the stream then? Okay, great. So let me. You all are able to see. I see Muni here, Hindu here. All are okay. Add to stream. Okay, I'll take Hindu. Okay, and myself. So we'll see how it works. Okay, Hindu, I have taken you in. Okay, how to start the computer science as I just passed 12th and want to place in product based companies. Okay, someone is trying to enter the studio. Studio is full. Okay, I see Sheshu is there. Okay, I'll take Sheshu in. Okay, so I don't know how it is working. StreamYard, I'm completely new. So let me see. Hi Praveen, I am new to the shell scripting. It would be helpful if you execute and show. Okay, Durga, sure. After the bootcamp, we will definitely do that. Right, one more hands-on we'll be doing. Okay, why you guys are not coming? Anyone? Okay, Sumant is there. Okay, Indu join, but I am removing Indu from the stream and also removing Sheshu from the stream. Right, let me check if Muni is there, guys. I'll take in Muni. Okay, but I'm still okay. Hi, Vandana has joined. Can I join? Okay, Muni has joined. Okay,
Yeah, hi Praveen.
hey, hi Muni. Guys, I don't know like if you are only seeing me, right? I don't know like how to broadcast it from the StreamYard to that. But yeah, anyways, I am talking with you all. That's good. Okay, great. Go ahead, Muni.
Yeah, Praveen. So the thing, like the most of the people are asking about, we are not getting the calls and kind of right. Even we are applying for the jobs. So, like, what your suggestions, like whether there is any behind somebody talking about the recession or something. So even I heard with so many companies, like not with the big companies like Apple, also one of I heard the thing. So so I need to know about from you, like why it is happening in the back end. So anything.
No,
So your
see,
suggestions.
every organization is trying its best to retain the employees, right? If someone says
Yeah.
like, okay, there is a recession, it will not impact till us, is what I believe, right? Because see, every organization is actually see nowadays what is happening is there are many issues going on with the organization, right? If you take recently, I came to know that US is having its the cost, right, whatever the product cost is there, it's trying to get increase, right? Inflation is going on to take place, but until we are at India, we are safe only, so don't worry about that, right? So definitely, and also try to get good opportunities, right? Don't keep in mind like, okay, the recession is there, whether it will happen or not. No, nothing should be coming into your mind. Just your focus should be getting the good opportunity and grabbing that good roles, right?
Yeah. Thank you,
Great,
Praveen.
great. That's
Yeah.
awesome, Muni. Yeah. So I hope you are
Yeah.
doing good, right? And come with me for with the offer. Okay, we have already discussed this.
Sure, sure. Yes, 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 yes.
Great,
Definitely.
great. That's great. Okay, okay. Thank you, Muni. Okay. So anyone else? And that was really nice talking with Muni. Okay. And okay, Indu is there. I don't know. Like, okay, Indu, I have taken you in, and also Safak here is also there with us. Okay, and meanwhile I'll try to broadcast it. Okay, and guys, tell me something else. How is the bootcamp? How to change the DBA to SRE? Guys, from any domain, we can change to any domain. Okay, so there is nothing specific like how you can do or how I can do. Right? Definitely follow the bootcamp. It's very good. Whatever I have given the scenarios, it's almost very much useful. Right? So never think about that. Okay. I'll just do some changes from my end. Where is the display capture? Okay. 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 So I think I have to make it a little bit less. Sorry for all these things, but yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm doing some things with your permission. Okay. So guys, now I think you will be able to see me in the stream, right? And let's take some more people. Okay, great. So who else wants to join in the stream? Please come forward. Okay, and definitely we will take in. Okay. Anyone else wants to come in the stream, guys? I have given the stream link also. Okay, I have not given the stream link. Okay, I'm just uh, doing the unpin here. Okay, and I think somewhere I have given the stream link. Okay. Okay, I'm exiting the full screen. Hardik is there with me. Okay, Hardik, come in. And Manyar, Vivek, Aman. Okay, I have taken four of come in and we will talk. Okay, and yes, you all are able to see. Okay, I have taken in four people. Okay, because the thing was I didn't do this na first, so okay, I'm just removing few of the people so that I take more people. Okay, guys, tell me what else you want. Okay, I think someone is joining. Who is that? Hardik?
Hi Praveen, Vivek here.
Hey, hi
Hello.
Vivek. Hi Vivek, thanks for joining. And I
Yeah.
I'm sorry for
So
that. Like what I don't know basically how to stream and all, right? So I'm just testing out the things, right?
Yeah, no issues. So actually, what is happening is they are looking into our resume, and once they are calling us back with the requirements, and they're asking us how much experience you are having into Git, Jenkins, all these, and they are not asking for the schedule. I mean, they're not asking for the schedule of the interview. They are just asking the technologists what you know, how much is the experience that you have in AWS, how much is the experience you have in Kubernetes, and they are just asking us, and they're not even telling us we'll get back to you, or we'll schedule an interview. Not even a single round.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is I mean, this is very bad actually. But the thing is, na, mostly try to convince them with the reality of the resume. Let's take, if you are the interviewer or you are the HR who is trying to tell me that, okay, uh, how much do you know from your resume, right? Then what I would tell is,
Yes.
okay, let's take Jenkins as an example. Okay, with confidence I will tell that, okay, out of 10, right, if you want me to give the numbering, I know 8 out of 10, right? So in that way I used to make them sure,
So
like, yeah.
what you're saying is correct, 100% right. But this is not the interview call or manager who is calling us.
Correct.
There is some person who is a mediator between the manager, and they'll just confirm us.
Correct.
Do you know this technology? And this, if this is the resume that is suitable, then they'll send it to the other, I mean, the manager or the concerned team, so that they'll schedule the interview.
Correct, got it. But yeah,
Yeah. So
no, how many times did you had this issue, like, because you are telling this as
every day, whatever calls I'm getting,
okay,
most of them are
good
that only.
good question. So by the way, those who are watching this stream, right, what I would tell is, guys, definitely apply in LinkedIn, right? I think you are only dependent on Naukri, what you say.
No, I applied in Monster, Top Hire,
No,
and
don't go to that platforms. That's what I'm telling. In Monster, in Naukri, in those platforms, the mediator level people will be there. Okay. So what happens is they will always try to get to the organization and confirm. By the time they get the confirmation, they will be assigning some other person in your place, right? So never go to Naukri and platform. See, if you are applying, that's good. If you are getting opportunities, that's good. But what I would suggest is LinkedIn is the best platform as far as I have tested, right? I have got the opportunity, so that's what I would suggest. From tomorrow,
okay.
build a good LinkedIn profile and try to apply in LinkedIn till the jobs get exhausted, and you can DM me later. Yes, Praveen, it was a good strategy, right?
Sure.
Yeah, Praveen, do we get freelance consultant work
For
this DevOps? Do we get freelance consultant work for DevOps and
no,
AWS?
that's what. From where you are asking for DevOps means okay. You are
No, for
asking me
AWS.
for anyone will give us or not.
Anyone
Freelance.
Okay, got it. Yes, definitely you can get it. Uh, See, for every platform, right, for every opportunity, for every questions you are asking me, I would say LinkedIn is the best platform. From there only I got so many opportunities. So definitely explore that LinkedIn. It's really good. Okay, may it be freelancing, may it be your job search criteria, maybe you want to build the community, right? You want to get some freelancing opportunities, then LinkedIn is the best platform. Twitter is also the best one because I am not exploring Twitter. I cannot comment on that. But yeah, as per your convenience, you can search that and get most opportunities. Okay. Okay. Shubham is telling, please take men. Okay, Vivek, thank you for joining.
Hello.
Yeah, who was that?
Hello. Am I visible? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Yes.
Sir, I am a fourth year.
Okay, I have by mistakenly removed Hardik. I think Aman or someone. Okay, Aman, you are there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, go ahead, Aman. I
Yeah.
think someone I have removed because people were telling the studio is full. Okay, guys, those who are joining the studio, please leave the studio, okay, once your query is completed so that it will be good for others also.
Yeah, actually, Praveen, my query is actually some HRs are DM me, means they are direct messaging me on LinkedIn, but after seeing my resume, they are not shortlisting me for the interview. So how to tackle that thing? I'm not getting that. I think my profile is good, LinkedIn profile is good. Actually, I've updated that, so that's why some HRs are contacted me.
Okay.
But
Okay, that's
yeah.
that's See, I request you to actually build your resume good, because that is where our shortlisting criteria starts, right? And you are telling like you are not.
Actually, some had shortlisted and shortlisted me for the interview, and I have given some interviews, but after the first round only, I faced rejections.
Oh, okay, okay. See, Aman,
Yeah.
don't worry, because before I got 25 opportunities, right? I got rejected with very small organizations 2 to 3 times. Okay, so rejections is not a
Okay.
problem, but only thing is what we need to focus more is how you can actually. Let's take, you have not given an answer. Okay, so yes, definitely.
Okay.
I told you all I will be showing my notes. Yes, so my notes are with
Yes.
me. Okay, so this is the notes when I was actually trying to do the job switch, right? So if you see my notes, right? So tell me one thing: have you written all the questions which you were not able to answer in anywhere?
Yeah, actually, I have
Yeah.
written some questions, but
Okay.
I was not practicing much
No,
of
that's the reason.
thing.
See,
Yeah.
see, if you see my notes, I'll just show you like Docker. Okay, so if you all are able to see, right? So how I made notes. My handwriting is not good, but yeah. So this 500-page notes, what I would suggest is definitely write it down whatever you are learning, because at some point of time, let's take, I am preparing for some interview. I saw the JD, and you think like this JD is very apt, and those questions will be asked in other companies, then definitely note it down. I used to do that, right? I used to bookmark every 300 to 400 every 30 to 40 pages, right, in the 500-page notebook, and with that only you will get your dream organization, right? And definitely, Aman, what I would suggest is watch shell scripting video, and every video which I release, it will have a document in the description. So definitely check out the interview series of mine. For Amazon, I have shared. For Google, I have shared. Right. So I hope you will be getting help from that videos also. Right.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Great.
Thanks.
Thank you. All the best. Yes. So yes, anyone? Okay, Aman. Thank you. Okay, I see. Vaishali has joined. Okay. Okay, Vaishali, I have added you the stream. Right. Please go ahead.
Uh, yeah, hi Praveen. So the thing is, I'm new to DevOps. Like I'm trying to switch my career from AWS and Azure, like cloud platform, to DevOps particularly. So the thing is, I don't have like I'm working in IT, but I don't have experience in DevOps related projects. So I have a fear of like applying for the companies because they will ask definitely because they will definitely ask the experience and everything. So like, what should I do about that?
Okay, so first thing first, even though if we don't know the DevOps projects, definitely you can switch. But before switching into the DevOps, what I would suggest is definitely get the knowledge what exactly the people are doing on the real-time scenarios, right? Without the real-time scenarios, now if you see, right, now people like us are really more in the market, but very good people with hands-on are very less, right? Everyone is a DevOps engineer. You are getting right what I'm telling. So that is why I have brought the bootcamp, right, where every session only targets on the real-time scenarios. Like this, so it will be real-time scenarios only, nothing else. I will not talk from basics or from advanced. It will be all related to what actually I was doing in the organization. Those scenarios only I am bringing to you all, right? So with that, what happens is if you keep those projects into your resume, that itself should be good enough for your resume to get shortlisted, right?
Yeah, one thing more is like we are studying each and every topic and we are practicing like they are like on the base of like each and every component. But like I have this thing to how to configure all of them. Like if there is any project in which like I can do end-to-end automation or deployment or configuration using all of this DevOps tool.
Okay, as of now, there is no project with me, is what I'm telling. But at the end of the project, at the end of the bootcamp, I'll be definitely giving the project documents, project scenarios, real-time project scenarios. But yeah, definitely there are some other place where you can find that. I personally don't know, right? But yeah, projects are still there, right, for you to learn end to end, right?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
No problem. All the best. Okay, that was Vaishali. So Maniyar, do you want to talk, or Ankush? I'll be adding you in.
Yeah, I have one question. Yeah.
Yes, go ahead,
Praveen.
Maniyar. Yeah.
Yeah, are you planning for bootcamp for AWS architect projects?
No, actually, no. You are asking me.
Yeah.
What was the question? Can you repeat?
Bootcamp? Are you planning for bootcamp?
I have
for
okay.
specific to AWS architect.
Okay, no. As of now, there is no specific target certificate, right? But what I would suggest is, in the going future, like everyone was asking, like Praveen, can you bring the hands-on? Praveen, can you bring the hands-on? So the next bootcamp, what I am planning is something on the hands-on along with some content, right? But not for the specific certification level. As of now, I am not targeting. But yeah.
No, hands-on only. Hands-on project related, real-time projects.
Okay, real-time projects. Okay. Yeah, definitely the plan is there. So next month, next week I'm traveling to Bangalore. So after that only I can decide whether I can do all those hands-on things or not. But yeah, if there is any plan, I will be definitely releasing out the content in the same way how I have released the bootcamp agenda and all those things, right? I'll be telling that.
So where are you going in Bangalore? I'm in Bangalore.
Yeah, I'll definitely update that. We will definitely connect.
We can meet actually.
Yeah, sure.
I wanted to meet you.
We will connect. Yeah, my plan is there because people were asking me. So definitely we will connect and we'll talk like what is the future plan for this, how we will get more opportunities, right? And definitely we will talk. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Always welcome. So those who have not connected with me on Instagram, guys, please connect with me on Instagram so that I'll be giving the agenda and the details. Okay, I have Ankush with me. Ankush, go ahead. Ankush is there. Okay, no problem. Guys, StreamYard link, you got it? All of you? Yes, no? No, there is no paid training, guys. As of now, there is no paid training. See, for one training itself, it is taking so much of my time. Right, I hope you guys are understanding. So there is no paid training as of now. I'm not in that I'm in that mindset also where I prepare the content, where I do some paid training. No, there is nothing like that. No link. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Right, no link. That is why you guys are not joining. So where is the link that I have has gone? Okay, no issues. Guys, those who have joined, I think Ankush is there. Hardik, okay, Hardik, I'll do one thing. Hardik is there or Suman? Guys, you guys are there? Anyone?
Hey, hi, Praveen.
Hey, Suman.
Yes, sir.
Suman, can you do one thing? Can you pin? Can you just post the live link, right, where you have joined in the
Sure,
chat?
sure.
Yeah, because I cannot do right now.
Right, sure.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
great. Okay, who wants to go and talk? Ankush, you there still? Okay, Ankush is not there. I'll just remove Ankush. Okay, and Hardik.
Hello.
Yeah, Hardik is there.
Hello.
Right?
Yes, sir. I'm a fourth year student, but I have done a little bit of DSA, but done nothing else. So what I do, the DevOps is okay.
So how good you are with DSA and Algo? Tell me that.
Not too much, just
too much.
basic.
That's okay. That's okay. Then do one thing. What I would suggest now for a fourth year or some fresher, like you need to work on DSA.
I'm fourth year will start now. So I am in summer.
Correct, third year.
vacation.
So the best thing is,
Yes.
at third year, what you can do is definitely plan your some little bit of DSA part and some little bit of DevOps. So with that, what happens is if you are not getting opportunity in DSA, you can come into DevOps. If you are not getting DevOps, you can come into DSA, right? But I would definitely say fourth year is the best year where you get so much free time because the project, I think 4-1 or 3-2.
But actually, my placements have started. The companies are coming.
Then if that is the case, then also I would suggest DSA at least practice, because what happens, right, when the companies like service based comes, that's okay, with your aptitude, with your knowledge you can crack. But when the companies like a product based comes to your organization, it will become really difficult to crack without the DSA, right? So definitely, Hardik, I would like to see you as my student who has got the best package as a fresher, right? So that video I will release it soon. Last time when I released, I had to made it private, but yeah, I will be releasing it soon. Yes.
And sir, side by side, I do web development also, or it is.
No, don't go with UI complete web development. Only go with DSA Algo, where you learn some array strings and those type of concepts. Okay.
Yes, but I'm not sure ना कि मेरी जॉब मतलब इसमें लग जाएगी DevOps में, क्योंकि
नहीं, देखो मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको सिर्फ स्ट्रीम फोकस स्ट्रीम पे फोकस करना है, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको कंपनी पे फोकस करना है अभी, क्योंकि यू नीड अ जॉब. आपको अभी डेवॉप्स, अगर आप डेवॉप्स मान के चलो, ठीक है, अब कंपनीज को डेवॉप्स नहीं चाहिए, जो कंपनीज आपको हायर करने आती है. जब आप बाहर ट्राई करते हो तब डेवॉप्स ठीक है, राइट. दैट इज़ वाई मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप थोड़ा डीएसए कर लो, आप थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं उसको, थोड़ा डेवॉप्स भी सीख लो. और जब डेवॉप्स कोई फ्रेशर रखता है तो उसका रेज्यूमे का वेट थोड़ा बढ़ता है, बिकॉज दे फील लाइक ओके, हर बच्चा अब डीएसए आल्गो नहीं कर रहा है, थोड़ा कोई डेवॉप्स भी सीख रहा है, राइट. देन दे विल शो इंटरेस्ट एंड दे विल आस्क यू मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑन दैट.
No, actually, my friends are, matlab, whole my classmates are learning something web development or Android development or something else. They're also doing extra thing with TSA.
हाँ.
But there is less chance, na, ki I will get DevOps jobs will come less as compared to other software developer.
That is correct. That is
Yes,
correct.
so
For freshers it's difficult, but yeah, अगर आप देखो मेरे अभी recently students जो pass out हुए हैं 2022 में, उनको बेस्ट पैकेज मिला है. आई थिंक 5 times द पैकेज वॉट यू गेट इन द सर्विस बेस्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, पर हम लोग को क्रिएट करना है. अगर आपको कॉलेज में मिल रहा है, डेफिनेटली गो एंड ग्रैब दैट. अगर नहीं भी मिल रहा है, डिसअपॉइंट मत होना, बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. और अभी तो कंपनीज थोड़ी थोड़ी ऐसे स्टेबलाइज कर रही हैं डेवॉप्स को, राइट. तो कुछ वरी मत करना, ठीक है. डेफिनेटली सारे हर जगह जहाँ पे भी नॉलेज मिलता है वहाँ पे ग्रास्प करो, बिकॉज 4th ईयर इज़ द बेस्ट ईयर वेयर यू कैन क्रैक गुड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और अपने फैमिली को और अपने आप को सपोर्ट कर सकते हो, राइट. ओके, सो हार्दिक, आप हो स्टिल? आप म्यूट में हो?
Yes.
हार्दिक,
Yes,
एक काम करो मेरे लिए, लिंक है ना वो स्ट्रीम का लिंक, उसे इसमें डाल दो ना, ये मेरे लाइव चैट में डाल दो ना अगर हुआ तो, ठीक है. क्योंकि मैं सिस्टम में अभी लाइव कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं टैब्स चेंज नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. ओके, देखते हैं. हे प्रवीण, प्लीज मेक स्पेसिफिक वीडियो ऑन इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस विद QTOps. ब्रो, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस विद Amazon, with Google. Please scroll it, guys. Those who are watching live, please hit the notification reminder for my channel, right? Because you will not get the notifications if I release the new video, right? तो definitely take that. So हार्दिक, लिंक आपने डाल दिया क्या लाइव चैट में? मैं नहीं देख रहा हूँ अभी भी. लाइव चैट में डाल.
Yes.
लाइव चैट में डालें? अच्छा ठीक है, एक मिनट. हाँ, आप ड्रॉप मत करना, क्योंकि हम लोग देखते हैं कि मतलब आपका लिंक दिख रहा है या नहीं. ठीक है.
Hey Praveen, I already copied the StreamYard link in the live chat.
Is it? But I am not seeing in my live chat. Everyone is
Yeah, I
asking.
can see from my end. In the live chat itself, I can see.
Okay. So yes, even I am not able to see. Anik is telling yes, he is not able to see. Link please.
Just now I did again.
You did again?
Just copied again.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. I am not able to see still. But how can we give them? Hey Praveen, please make specific video on internet questions. Interview questions and answer, I have already made that. Okay, let me do one thing. How to give the chat live. Invite people is there. Okay, guys, what I will do now, I'll just show you the link. Okay, and those who want to join this, you have to just hit streamyard.com, right, and this one, right, and you will directly get the link. Okay. So yes, I hope you are able to see this link, right? So Sumant, if no more questions, you can drop off. Thank you for your support.
Yeah, I have a question.
You have question?
Actually, okay. Yes, actually I haven't asked my questions.
Okay, great.
So actually, I have been following your bootcamp from past 8 sessions. So it's been very good. They're really teaching
Thank you.
We got like you. So thank you. First of all, I would like to thank you all for this.
No problem.
So my question is, after bootcamp, can we expect like real-time project-based hands-on, like on the Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes
Yes.
integration and end-to-end setup configuration?
Yes, I have the document with me again for the entire project. What I am thinking is the Docker, Jenkins, everything I will cover as a project, like project 1, project 2, project 3.
Yes.
In the same 2-hour
yes.
session, we will have one session after the bootcamp. Like our last session is this week session only. After that, we will straight away have the project session, right? So then we will do different types of projects where the steps also will be given in the document, and we'll be talking about that, right?
So it would be like really the production kind of setup only, right? Exactly how the
yeah,
production environment looks. It will be the same thing, right?
mostly directly you will see like, okay, with Jenkins and Docker integration, the Docker image creation and all those things will be there.
Yeah. So actually, as an experienced guy, as an who wants to enter into the DevOps field as an experienced guy, so they need to know the standards, how they will be following the organizations, right? So obviously they will be looking to the real-time standards, how they will be setting up all these tools in the real-time way. So standards they will follow, the security things they will follow, the integration of all these tools,
that is correct. See,
and monitoring setup.
Correct. In that kind of setup, if we have to get different types of things. You are talking about security.
Yes, different types of tools.
Yeah,
yes.
we have to
security is the last thing, because nowadays now the organizations are looking for security DevSecOps. It's coming in.
Correct.
But mainly we can see on Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, and monitoring, right?
Yes. That is correct. That is correct.
Integration of all these tools and setting up the complete end-to-end project, right, from the code to monitoring.
That is correct. Okay.
So that would be very good for us to learn all the things at this single project, and we can troubleshoot the issues on the go, right?
Correct.
At the same time, if we get the issues on the
correct,
we can also try to debug the issues.
That is correct. Yes, that is correct. Yes, Sumant, definitely for the security and all we will not cover in our bootcamp project, but definitely all the project scenarios I'll be taking you go through, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Sumant. Yeah, thank you. Okay, Hardik, thank you for joining. I'll remove and I will take Ankush and I'll take Anik. Okay, Anshul has also joined. Okay, great. So go ahead, guys. Okay, go ahead. Anyone, you can unmute yourself and talk with me. Ankush, I see Anik has joined and Anshul, right? There is no link in the chat. Okay. Yes, guys, there is no link in the chat, but what you can do is just scroll to 30 minutes, you will get the link. Okay, I have shared that. Okay, anyone wants to go next? Sumant? Ankush is there. Ankush? Okay, Sonali has asked a question. Hi Praveen, as I'm working as a Linux administrator in TCS from last 6 months and I want to grow in DevOps, but it seems to be very difficult. No, it's not difficult, Sonali, right? Because what I feel is, or what people after the bootcamp or any other person who is actually coming and learning, right? Those are actually feeling good only, right? Good in the sense, yes, some project level scenarios they are able to know. And because you are already working in Linux administrator, then it's much more easier to come into DevOps, because you will be working, let's take, I am giving a scenario where I am giving you the Eclipse and I am giving you to do work. But at the same time, let's think I am giving you an integrated development environment where you are having the opportunity to select the scripting. Let's take Shell or Python, right? Then what happens? Being a Linux administrator, you will definitely go with the Shell scripting, right? So those kind of things we will learn it. And AWS particularly, you no need to learn at the service level. You need to learn at the project level, right? So that's where I would like to inform that. Okay. So yes, I'll talk with Ankush. Go ahead. Okay. Okay. Yes. Go ahead, Ankush. Yes.
Yeah. Actually, my question was, I have gone through all your sessions. They were really good. Point is that all are real time, but I am just facing how to add them into the resume, how to sort and how to find the sentences in that way. So that issue I am facing.
Correct. So let me tell you one best example. Have you seen the Linux shell scripting session? I think 5 or 6.
Shell scripting only, yeah. Shell scripting only. I am thinking how to add this means.
Correct.
I'm not getting.
Very good question. So for your question, definitely we will answer for all of the audience. Okay. Now, as Ankush is telling, he is watching all the bootcamp videos, but not able to add that into our resume. Now, particularly if we take the shell scripting session, I have told 10 scenarios where I was actually asked with the companies, and those only I have worked, right? So how I would add, if I am in your places, I will put a heading in the resume as automations, right? And automations, and then I will add automation for the email sent. Okay, that you can define in your way. But yeah, I will put bullet points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I have done in a single line, and I will place that. Now, if you see many of the resumes outside the organization, you will not find anyone keeping automations a particular tab and defining those automations, right? But if you are keeping, you will be a different person from others, is what I believe. It's up to you how you want to keep it.
Okay, and how to add the projects? Means should we add only the means basic things, or means I'm doing whatever work we have done in whole my means, years of experience. I'm just clubbing into one what we say block only, and I'm just writing the projects. Means projects in the sense I'm not writing any project. I'm just giving my organization name and my job role in that way.
No, you need to add some good points, right? Not only here your organization, the duration of the project, and along with that, what is the role you have worked on, like whether DevOps or test engineer or SDE, right? Development engineer, anything. And then your project should be, don't give any project description like this is something, this project has this. No, directly give your roles and responsibilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that should be good enough to go.
And no need of the client name and anything on what
client
it was.
Name. If you are working in a service-based organization where you are working for a client, then definitely give the client name also. It will increase your reliability.
And only one project is fine. Means for 2.5 years of experience, if I'm adding that this is the project and in this I am having this roles and responsibility, that is also fine, right?
I would suggest one project if you are adding, then that project weight should be so much that recruiter should know that okay, in 2.5 years he has done good work. But if you keep 5 to 6 points as 2.5 years of experience, then it will be difficult. So what I would suggest is keep 2 projects. One, you keep it as a DevOps monitoring project, which is our shell script, which is our monitoring session 8, I think so. And you can keep the one project with all the sessions combination. Anything is up to you guys. Okay, this is for everyone.
Okay,
great. So thank you, Ankush, that was really nice talking to you, right? Okay, so
yeah, thanks.
No problem. Yes, so yes, I have seen Sarvanan joining. Okay, and yes, so guys, to all of you, those who are watching stream, definitely hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button, because you will be able to know that when I am coming live, what is the videos I am releasing, right? So that you will get some opportunity to see actually, because I see many people are asking, share the interview questions for the organizations. I have already made the interview series with Amazon, Google and other organizations. Please check those videos. Okay. Now, who was that? Anik, you are still there? Anik, you there?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Who is this? Anik?
I am from Pakistan. Salam, namaste. First of all,
namaste.
I'm studying in Punjab University. I am in third year information technology. Currently, I am studying studying RSCSA Linux administration deeply. I have 2 questions. First question is I want to earn money like job hunting etc. First, should I study or go into RSCSA, then further go into DevOps? This is my first question. Or study RSCSA along with DevOps and finding DevOps job. Yeah. And my second question is, you have told that we should also study DSA for jobs interview cracking. Which language we should prefer for DSA?
Good. So for the first question, right, because you are telling you are already studying, right? What I would suggest is do RHCSA, do DevOps. Option 2 is the best one. If you combine both, like I saw, like I came to know that you are already watching all the videos, or if you are not watching also, watch and learn something. And anyways, you are doing the RHCSA, include both the things, then your resume weight will be more, right? Now coming on to the second question, if you are learning DSA, right, the best option for ours, right, like 4th year grads or something, learn a good DSA where you are actually having the project level understanding. Now, if I take you to the next level of DSA, like why I am dividing DSA here, DSA can be done in Python, not on a complete project level, but Python, if you see the scenarios, like we have multiple scenarios hitting the REST API, get the data, or else you can take it into a smaller, like I will tell you like baby steps. Okay, step 1, if you are knowing shell scripting, good, go with shell scripting, mention in the resume, that should be fine enough for a 4th year graduate. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more than the shell scripting, you go with Python scripting. learn that Python you have to search in this way, like Python questions for DSA, right? You will get good number of questions in Python, and you can keep that in your resume. Now the third step, which is like complex one, if you feel like you love coding, or if you feel like yes, there is something I can grab this particular domain also, then definitely go with DSA. So many questions, Lead Code, Geeks for Geeks, all those platforms are there. Definitely you will get it, Anik. Okay.
Thank you very much.
No problem. It was nice talking to you, Anik. Thank you. So
Thank
yes,
you.
that was Anik, guys. Okay. Now I see, yes, I see Sarvanan, right? Sarvanan, are you there?
Yes. Hi, bro. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you for joining. Yeah, tell me.
I hope
bro.
you remember my name in the boot camps, I think.
Yes, Sarvanan, I got it. Yeah. So are
Yeah,
you there?
that is the Saravanan is me.
Are you back to Bangalore or what?
No, bro. Still, I'm in Saudi Arabia, Middle East only. So this month I'm coming. I think this month last would be I will be there.
Okay.
So I'm eagerly waiting to see you.
Great. Let's definitely meet, right? And yes,
Yes,
this is the good thing. Like I remember.
And
you.
then last time I saw one of the Akshay live also, and he told that Saravanan, you are the one told me to bring Akshay to Praveer's
Correct.
live. Actually, he told that you are doing something like missing, so I will inform to Praveen to how to get into live like that. He told to me.
Oh, is it okay? Actually,
Actually, I asked this question also. I am the one told to bring Mr. Singampalli to bring you in the live like that. Yes, I can remember. I saw Mr. Singham live also, so that I can remember you like that. He said.
Correct. Actually, I don't know how to do a live in StreamYard, right? So this is the first stream which I have.
Yes, you told you are the new to the YouTube.
Very much new basically. So this is the first time I was literally confused, like okay, how to I thought from here directly the broadcast will be happening, but it didn't went, so I have to share my screen in other app, right?
Yes, bro. As I told you before in the Teams live, actually I'm switching from non-IT to the IT things, and I am just following only the two peoples for the DevOps and the AWS. One is Mr. Akshay and second is you.
Correct.
Just you two peoples. The remaining things are I'm following only Udemy, the classes, the Stefan Marek course or something.
Correct.
And then Mr. Akshay told that, and he is a like person like he should bring only the qualified DevOps engineers. His suggestion will be like this. So what he is telling that if you want to be a DevOps engineer means you should know the application first. What is the application flow? What should be the application like this? So for this, the programming language is needed, brother, right? It should be must, right?
Not complete programming languages. That's why I told. I think Anik brother was talking with me, right? So that's why I told three steps, right? Shell, then Python, then you go with the advanced level of coding, or else if you are good, if you don't know anything, like you think like okay, in very less time how can I go and study and all those things, then shell scripting is the best one, Sarvanan. At least if you keep the automation tab in your resume and tell them that I have done this automations, I have helped the teams to do the best, right, then definitely they will accept you. If you are more good, then go with Python. If you think like no, I need to learn coding, then go with the DSA. So many websites are there.
Okay.
Great, yeah. So
and then secondly, I'm not that much strong person in the coding or this programming things.
Even I am also
so that's
learning.
why I got a little bit fear.
Yes. No, that should always be there. But yeah, if you are little bit of thinking like okay, I don't know coding, and that's little bit difficult, then no worries. Shell and Python are the best one, right?
And then for the programming languages, Java or Python, bro? Mr. One of the guy, he's a friend of Mr. Akshay. He told that Java is okay, go with Java like that, he said. So what you will suggest for Java or Python?
No, what I would suggest is, see, Java is a complex subject, brother, right? And where you will get like
yes, exactly.
DSA and algo, right? Now, if you think what I am thinking to all the people who are watching live, I am telling you the truth, okay? Because nowadays people are always telling like DSA algo. I am planning to learn basically, okay? So after this boot camp, I will take some time for myself also to learn. But if you are serious about that learning, then only I would suggest you to learn, or else Python is the best, because DevOps engineers are compulsorily must and should know Python and shell scripting, okay? And then you can go with Java, because Java is advanced where people get fear. Even I get fear, okay? But I have worked on pure Java, right? That if you get the real project to work, then you can take it, or else learning it's up to you. I would suggest go with Python or shell. But Java is also important to know the end-to-end application. Like Akshay brother is telling end-to-end, right? So for learning that,
Yes, exactly.
Java is needed. That's what I can tell. Python and all those things will not help, but Java will help you.
Well, this is what I'm just having the confusion that what is this end-to-end application for what he is trying to expose in these things.
Okay.
Like,
correct.
What should be the, this is what I get to know.
So for the end-to-end application,
non-IT person, I don't have idea about these things.
No, I would definitely help you. Now for the end-to-end, when he means that, let's take you are hitting www.flipkart.com, right? Now from the Flipkart, when you hit the browser, at the back end, what it is happening, the response, like you give username and password, right? Now the username and password, first what it will happen, like validation of the username and password will be doing, right? In the back end, like we will not know. Then you hit the login button. Once you hit the login button, you see like the page gets redirects to the / some value will be coming. Now if you see the StreamYard link also, it will be streamyard.com. For everyone it will be same, but for my studio it will be 5M, some numbers will be there, okay? So that is what the studio link is, right? So in that way, and you know, like behind the data will be traveling through various layers, like we call front end, business and database layer, right? Now we need, for end-to-end scenarios, if you do one REST API call in Java, let's take you are designing a REST API where you are actually hitting the database and you are saving the student details. If you do this also, then it will be good, and do it in Spring Boot. If you are knowing Spring Boot, that should be good enough, is what my suggestion is.
So this is what he told Spring Boot also. Mr. Who is this? Mr. Actually, he's keeping. Now he is keeping pipeline in the Golang.
No,
he told that as
that is correct actually.
Study, I am also studying, like that he's told.
No, that is correct actually. The thing is, if you learn Spring Boot, you can able to answer few things where other peoples don't know, right? So that advantage we should get, right? So that is why.
Okay. Sure, I will. When I come to India, sure, I will be to.
We'll definitely
want to do some changes also. So I will first of all I will reach India. After that, I will went into these things.
Sure.
So obviously, as I am fresher, shall I start from any startup companies? Shall I can join as a startup company?
If you get the opportunity, I would say definitely grab that, because nowadays people are more now thinking like to get a job rather than at the start. If we think like, no, I need to go into a bigger organization, I need to have something better opportunity, that is difficult a little bit, right? So if you get the opportunity, then no one is going to stop. Learn there and shift from that organization. If there is no opportunity, then you can think. Correct. If you are not getting anything, then you can definitely think of some good organization, right?
Okay, brother. Okay.
Great.
So
definitely
soon I will meet you.
Yeah.
So you will be in Bangalore, brother, right? In this month?
Yeah, this month I'll be in Bangalore. Yes.
Okay, brother. So I will directly come there and I will meet you.
Sure. Thanks a lot. Okay. So
thanks,
it was nice talking to you, Saravanan. Thank you. Okay.
Yes, brother. Thank you.
Great. Bye. Yeah. So guys, with that said, we have talked with so many people, and those who want to still connect, right? You can see the StreamYard link is there, 5MSRFN 5I8S. Okay. You can connect in the stream link, right? And definitely भैया बाकी लोगों को भी लिंक दे दो ज्वाइन होने का, क्वेश्चंस पूछने का. अच्छा, एक्चुअली देखो राज, इशू ये है कि मैं स्ट्रीम लिंक दे नहीं सकता अभी, राइट? बिकॉज ऑलरेडी 9 हो गया है एंड मेरा बैटरी, लैपटॉप का बैटरी भी ख़त्म हो रहा है. सो गाइज, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज लाइफ, राइट? अभी and sorry for that, because I know that I was not able to do the justice for this live, right? I will definitely learn how to do a stream live and all those things, and I'll get back to you all after the bootcamp. We will have one more similar session like this, right? And just wanted to update you all, our bootcamp is going to end soon, right? Those who are watching all the live sessions and all, definitely do that and learn, study well and prepare well. Okay. So with that said, I'm signing off from today's session, right? And it was nice talking to you all, and definitely connect with me in Instagram. It's Singham for DevOps, and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button, because you will come to know that, okay, someone is actually releasing the videos, right? You will come to know and you will have the opportunity to watch that video also, right? So with that said, guys, I'm signing off. This is Praveen here. We'll meet in Saturday's live session, Ansible. I'll be releasing the agenda by tomorrow morning, so that you all come to know what agenda we are going to talk, right? So with that said, take care and bye.